Welcome to Reach Tip of the Day. Today's topic are your plaster trap for the model trimmer. Underneath the sink, typically underneath the model trimmer, is your plaster trap. There's two different styles here. You have the Glecko trap, which is the little canisters that are screwed onto here, and you're going to watch your sediment level as it slowly increases. And when it comes up to the top area, that's when you want to change it. You want to this particular one is you drain the water with the red valve, and it takes some of the water out so it doesn't spill all over the place, and then just change your container. On this other style here, it's flexible tubings that would be attached in these holes. Same thing, you monitor your water level or your sediment level here, and when it gets close to the top, you replace it with a new bucket. Sometimes there is a slight odor in the lab area coming up from the drain, coming from the plaster trap. If you want to alleviate that, just dump like a tablespoon of bleach down there and it'll kill the bacteria. And that's your Reach Tip of the Day.